Hi guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching on my channel. And if you are looking to buy a house here in North Dallas, Texas, so this is the right channel for you. I will feature or I will discuss it to you how to buy a house step by step, especially if you're first time home buyer. I will guide you with the process, guide you, and from start to closing. And the good thing on that one, you will not pay me anything. Seller will cover on that one, and how good that one, right? Use me and you didn't pay anything. Use a professional, right? And of course, kung kailangan nyo ng explanation ng Tagalog for the transactions, for the process, I explain ko din sa inyo na Tagalog translation, English translation on how to buy a house para alam nyo kung ano yung pinipirmahan yung mga paperworks, right? Sometimes perma lang tayo ng perma, hindi naman pala natin naintindihan. So make sure you understand what are the terms, what are the guidelines, ano yung mga kailangan yung paperworks, ano yung mga kailangan yung ihanda, ano yung mga process, explain ko sa inyo in Tagalog. So, kung kayo po ay looking to sell a house, so yeah, please give me a call also, or I will put the link in this video, and how to start, how to sell your home, how to make it non-stressful, and what else. And if you have some friends, meron po kayong kaibigan, kakilala, relative, katrabaho, and looking to buy a house here or new here in the area, please give me a call. My number is 214-690-1233, and I love to guide you guys, guide you with the area, guide you with, if you're looking for a school system, good area, or new builds, what else? Explain it to you in Tagalog, in English, the process, what else? And thank you guys. Please subscribe in my channel. You're gonna learn this one. Maintindihan nyo kung ano yung proseso, kung paano pagbili ng bahay, kung paano magbenta ng bahay, how to buy a house, how to you really guide you with the process into the transaction in real estate. So if you guys looking, moving to the area, please subscribe on my channel. Please like and share it with your relatives, and I will guide you in with the process and what else I need to do. And if you guys really don't know where to start, I have a video also in this channel, step by step in how to buy a house. So next time I will do a video in how to sell our house, so you have this specific knowledge. And if I can help you with that one, or I can save you money, why not, right? So please subscribe, click the link below, and thank you guys for watching. Kita-kita po tayo. So salamat po. Welcome to my channel again. Once again, this is Arlen Donaldson, and I will show you right now, this is how to buy a house, the basic and the step-by-step process, and I will guide you with the process and how to buy a house. And it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be, a little bit of information for you guys, a lot of informations for you to, to work on. And I'll put my photos there so you guys really understand, the process of buying a house, right? So again, this is all my informations over here. I don't know, I put a little bit of that one, and this is all my information. I'm Arlen Donaldson. I'm here in Dallas, Texas market. So if you're looking to buy a house and don't know how to start the process, so this is the process in how to buy a house for you guys to really have an idea what to do, what are the next steps on buying a house. So we give you the basic steps, make it easy, make it fun, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll give you all this information. If you have more questions, you can call me or email me. And of course, if you're looking to buy a house here in Dallas, Texas, if you have some relatives, kaibigan, kakilala, kamag-anak that really want to buy a house, please share this information, and yeah, let's get rolling, right? So how to buy a house, the very basic in the steps by step, right? So if you're looking to have a quality of life, the proud of ownership, a peace of mind, you can color whatever color you want, blue, red, whatever, purple, and this is your home, right? So if you're doing that one, if you're renting, I always tell, if you can pay a rent, for sure you can pay your own mortgage, right? Or rather pay your own mortgage, why not, right? So ito pong process na ito is for you to really understand paano ka bumili ng bahay, paano ka magkasariling bahay, especially for the first time home buyer or yung anak ninyo, your son, your daughter, or anyone that want to look to house and don't know how to, to do the step by step. So this is the right channel for you. So let's get going, right? So the first step you're gonna do is, so this is my beautiful family. I have 2 daughters, and I'm originally from Philippines, and this is my husband. So it's really, really fun, and I want to work with you guys. If I can help you, if I can help, for your family to have a house, that is in my heart, in my pleasure to working with you. So if you are, looking, whatever situation you are right now, you are a busy environment every day, and you don't have time to research, you don't have time to do, all this thing online. So this is gonna be easy for you guys. So if you need a bigger house, this is the right channel for you. If you have a smaller, want to downsize, so this is the process for you. Or if you just want to move to the closer wherever you're working, right? Kung gusto nyo na mas malapit-lapit na titirahan, so this is, it's gonna be the best one for you. So I'll tell you a little bit about myself and why I'm doing this. So I work in the hospital. I work as an ultrasound technologist in the Philippines, in Dubai, Abu Dhabi. I've been there for like 6 years. I work in Saudi Arabia, and the only thing, the only place where the word positive means is bad thing is when you work in the hospital, right? So that's why all my logo is like this, because that is my profession. Now I switched to real estate, and I don't know what are the what are the wording, what are the terms. So if I can help all the medical professionals that right there don't know what to, what to say with all the paperwork, all the terms, what to explain. So this, we can work together, right? So I always say that a home is an investment for your future. Why I say that? Because so I live in Frisco, Texas, here in Dallas, right? So example, the house 5 years ago for $350,000, the median price right now is like $500,000. 5 years ago. So it doesn't mean like it's really an investment, right? You just sitting there paying your own mortgage, binabayaran mo yung mortgage mo, and then tumataas na yung value niya, right? The value itself, the house is increasing exponentially. So for me, it's really investment for your future. And then at the end of the day, you do want to sell this one, you have money, right? You have money in your house, so why not, right? So for me, it's really an investment for your future. Why you want to give all your money, nagbabayad ka ng rent for 5 years, 10 years? I don't think so, right? If your house already, so you're building your equity. What is the equity? It's gonna do in another video on this channel. So for me, it's really investment for your future. So I always say that paying your own mortgage, right? I will put my photo here, right? Better to put my photo here. So if your rent is, you're paying somebody else's mortgage, right? So you rather pay your own mortgage, right? So example, this is my example number. If you are like paying $2,500 a month for the rent, which is like right now, that is the price here in Dallas, North Dallas area, times 12. So this is your money. You're paying $30,000 a year, right? So it's really, if you will see the big picture of that one, you can pay your own house for 4 bedroom already, 2 bath in this one. So the next one, so this is the process. This is really the pricing chart. This is the one I will explain it to you one by one. This is from buying a house process, start here to welcome to your home. This is the key, right? So the first one you're gonna do is, you don't have any information about this one, but it's really, for me, I really suggest do an initial consultation, right, to the agent, to the real estate agent. You can call me what you need, right? What you really need, like 4 bedroom, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 5 bedroom, 6 bedroom, o whatever. Kung ano yung gusto nyo talaga. Ano talaga yung kailangan ng pamilya nyo ngayon. So, yun yung kailangan nating mapag-usapan para I will base on your needs. So, the next one is what really in your budget. Ano talaga yung budget based sa kinikita ninyo? Kasi sometimes, mas malaki yung ating needs, and our budget is tight, right? So, makikita natin yan dun sa inyong pre-approval. In your pre-approval, the lender, I will explain it to you that one. What's really your needs based on your family? It's growing or you want to downsize. So what's really your needs right now? What's your budget, right? If you really, hey, Arlen, I just want to pay a little bit on the, the mortgage. So we can do that one. Hey, I want to buy a bigger house. We can do that one too, right? And the important thing is what is your dream, right? Sometimes, you forgot that one, right? This were what's really your dream. What kind of house you're really looking for? You check up your husband, check on your wife. What's really a dream house? Because if you tell me that one, we make it happen. A lot of house in the market, you just tell me exactly what it is, and we can find it. It's a lot of available in the market. You just give me a clear really what a dream home for you is, right? Because different people, different type of life right now. You don't know your needs, right? I don't know your dream, right? So I can help you to find it. How about that? So yeah, so the second one, we're gonna do the first step before you're showing a house, before wasting our time, before we come out in the area. I want you guys to kind of drive around the area, but the first one you're gonna do is getting a pre-approval to buy a house. This is the first step for you to know what is exactly based on your budget, based on your finances, based on your loan, or based on your everyday needs. So I'll put you in touch with you with a mortgage professional. That's and then you write all your questions regarding the finances, because me, and regarding to the money side, this is really a private for me to talk to. So that is I'll give you to the professional. They are really good for you to discuss about the finances, what are the money, the in out every month. So you're in charge with this one. So that's the first one. You need to get a pre-approval by the bank or by the lender. What are the difference between the bank and the lender? If you go to the private lender, a professional mortgage lender, it takes 30 to 45 days for the closing. If you use your bank, whatever you use, that doesn't matter to me. But if you use the bank, it's like 30 to 60 days for closing, or 90 days at most. So a little bit, time. If you really, want to use your bank, why not? But I suggest to use a professional mortgage, so they can also research for you which one is give you a lowest mortgage rate at this time. In the bank, they have their own rate already. So a little bit of input about that. So sometimes we're thinking, what are the down payment? Do I need 100,000 of down payment? I don't have 50,000 of down payment. And guess what? You don't need that one, right? You don't need the bigger down payment. And I will explain it to you smaller for you to chunk down what are the down payments. So if you can see the number right now, this is the 0 down payment, 3%, 3.5%, 5%, 10%, 20%, and 0 down payment. And what are the type of loan that can give you available for you for using this type of a down payment. So I'll explain it to you, what are your fit on this one, and what are your down payment in different type of loan, right? Still good? A lot of information, right? So 100% of your down payment can be a gift or a fund, right? So if you have some boyfriend, grandma, grandpa, sugar daddy, sugar mommy, you can use that one. Holy cow, that one is a good one. If you have, can give you a gift for the down payment, 50,000, yes, give me that one, give me mama, right? So we can use this one as a down payment, exactly. So but there is different kind of loan for you to accept. What are 100% of your down payment can be, from your parents, right? A present for you. So that is a good one. So Oh, so this is the different type of loan that is available for you in the market, right? So there's a lot of loan available for you, and I will discuss it to you. What are those loan? And one of those is the FHA. Maybe you hear that one, or you can do research. FHA loan. This is a Federal Housing Administration loan. It lower credit requirements. Yay! And then guaranteed by the government. Yay! And doesn't mean you're a first-time home buyer. If you buy a house before, like you did not own the house for 5 years, you can be qualified for the FHA, right? And this FHA, as you know, I discussed it to you a while ago. You need to put 3.5% down payment in the FHA loan. Next is conventional loan. So what is conventional loan? This is issued by the private lender. If your credit score is above 740, I'll suggest use a conventional loan because you can get really mortgage interest rate is nice in the conventional loan. And this is 3% down payment. 3% down payment. And the good thing in this one, after 2 years that you finish the mortgage interest, the insurance, your monthly payment will be lower. So fund can be 100% a gift. That's what I told you. This loan is for that one. And then the down payment assistance also available in the conventional loan, right? So but conventional loan is you need a 740 credit score for that one. And then another type of loan is a Veterans Affair, with the VA loan. Thank you for your service. And if you have, you can use this one. This is a loan that assists all the veterans. It is 0 down payment. You need a higher, it can approve even a higher debt ratio, and it's lower interest rate. So this is available for you guys if you're a veteran. So I want you to know also what are the other costs. It's not only you're buying like a house. There's a cost on that one that you will supposed to be ready. Or right now, I'll give you all the information for you to get ready for this cost. That this is out of your pocket, right? So this, we call it closing costs here in this process. So what are the closing costs? This is a required fees. Yes, paid and transfer from the seller to buyer, right? And then what to know about the closing costs? It could include the fees, the application, the home inspection is out of your pocket. Yes, the appraisal is out of your pocket as a buyer. Property taxes, underwriting, this is all the closing costs that you should be ready out of your pocket. So, and how much that one, Arlene? How much the closing cost? So it based on the location, based on the whatever location you are, based on that one. And then property, small or size, and the property in type of loan, right? So, and then what else? This is how much this one really, like 3 to 6% of the home price. So depending on the home size and depending on the home price, it vary on that one, right? So it can be avoided, it can be negotiated with the seller. That is, in the before time we negotiate this one, but right now because of the market is a lot, this is a seller market, it's hard to negotiate the closing cost. It can be rolled over into the loan. Yes, you can do that one if you're approved to the loan more than the purchase price that you're buying, right? So still good. So if you're really looking online right now, that's why you're watching on my video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe on my channel and send me a like or comment. And if you're really looking online right now, you can see in the multiple listing service, you call the MLS. So if you call me, yes, please call me. I can help you here in Dallas, Texas. I will narrow it down for you. We will make it smaller, your choice. Tell me what you really want. What is really important to you in your family, and what is the location specifically. If you want like school, a specific area, location, I will just narrow it down to you. Give me all that what you like, what you're looking for, and I will narrow it down for you guys. And I will work for you to find your dream home. That excited, you want to go home shopping, you know, this is the exciting part, right? So making an offer, how much should I make offer? So for me, I always tell it to you, I'll check, I'll do the market analysis. We call that the CMA, comparable market analysis in the area. And then what is really you wants versus needs. What's that mean? It's like if you like this house, this specific house, this is really what you want. And based on our conversation, I know what you want and your needs. So I will kind of like, hey, explain it to you. You know, if you make an offer in this one, we can do this one based on your needs, right? So just kind of explain it to you how to make an offer. I will explain it to you all those process. And then this is a purchase agreement here in Dallas, Texas, and I will explain it to you all the terms, the section of this agreement, in the terms, in the timeline. This is really important, and I want you to really this is a serious matter, right? Pag pumasok tayo dito sa contract na ito, this is a contract. Means that you understand the timeline, the terms, and we need to follow on those things, right? So what else? So if our offer accepted, yes, our offer is accepted. No. Yes, you can celebrate. But for me, this is my time to work for you, right? To make it easy, all the process. So what I need to do is open an escrow account. So what an escrow account is, a financial instrument held by the third party. If you can see, you know, you're driving around the area and you see, Republic Title or other title company. So that's the place where we call it the escrow. We will open an account on that one, similar to trust account. Seller and buyer obligation are fulfilled in that specific office. So I will give them the title insurance, the listing contract, the closing costs, the mortgage, the purchase agreement, home inspection, property appraisal. All those paperwork will go to the escrow. Means this is this is between the seller and the buyer. Make sure they will agree on this office. And then home inspection. What is home inspection? After accepted the offer, we give the earnest money, which is mostly is 1% of the total purchase price, and then we give option money. It's sometimes $100, $200, but all this money is gonna go to the escrow. Okay. And the next I'm gonna do is I will do a home inspection. Make sure we have the home inspector to check the house before we call that option period. Mostly here in Dallas, Texas, is like 5 to 10 days or more. So I always put like 7. So we're gonna hire the inspector because we're not professional checking the house. I will not go to the roof to check your house. I will not go under the foundation to check the foundation. And I don't know what are the AC. I don't know the electric, whatever that one, right? We need to hire the professional to check because this is a really big investment, a purchase. And I want to really careful with this one. The home inspector will give us a report, which is like 53 pages. 53 pages, right? And they will check the roof, the foundation, really important, the electrical, the gas, plumbing, heating, the HVAC, we call the HVAC. And this is cost like $500 to $60,000 because this is the biggest ticket for you to repair, right? If there is a need for repair, this is the part that we can negotiate back and forth in the negotiation. So this is really important to do the home inspection before you say, yes, I'll go to the transaction. And at the end of the day, you don't like, hey, Arlen, it's too much problem with this house. Based on the inspection, we can back out. We will not, hey, I will cancel the contract. We don't want to go through, right? So the next one we're going to do is appraisal. Appraisal is this is ordered by the lender and give value of your home. Example, I give you the value. We make an offer, example, for $500,000. And the appraisal come out that the appraised value of your house based on the market right now is like example, 550,000. Guess what? You have 50,000 equity of your home, right? That's good news. And if 500,000, the appraisal get back to me or to the lender that they said is only 450,000, guess what? Either you as a buyer, if you really want it, you need to put another 50,000 on your pocket because the bank will not give you more than the appraisal value, or we can drop the price with 450,000 based on the appraisal value, right? So appraisal is really important. This we call it a god in real estate. So after the appraisal come out, it's really happy camper, you and me, by representing you, we go to the final walkthrough. So all the repairs are needed. They're all prior to closing. This is prior to closing. The closing here is if you're not paying cash, it's like 30 to 45 days, okay? If you're paying cash, you can go 15 to 22 days, on that time. So 5 days before we close, we're gonna ensure that all the repairs had been completed with a professional. I need the receipt. I need whoever do all the repairs, make sure it's all licensed or bonded and it's good to go, right? Not the seller, must be the professional. They need to make sure it's all completed, and then the home is ready for the new homeowner. We walk in this one. Sometimes I do 5 days prior to close, 3 days or 2 days prior to close. Make sure the house is really good to go. If not, we will not go to closing, right? If I'm representing you and did not do whatever they should, do the negotiation to fix it, guess what? We will not go to closing. So we make sure it's ready for you to have your own house. So at the end of the day, so close to the escrow. So all your mortgage and other documents are all finished, and this in the escrow, and we will sign, I don't know, like a book bigger like this, and you need to sign all the paperwork there. They will explain to you about the taxes. They explain to you about the homestead. They will explain it to you. Any questions about the HOA, no HOA, and all the paperwork that you need to sign, the escrow officer will explain it to you, everything for this one. Key to your new home is ready. So yes, that is the process. That is the process chart of how to buy a house. So right now, if you guys really thinking, you have an idea right now how to buy a house, right? So if you have a family that looking to buy or sell a house, please give me all my information is here. And yes, thank you guys for watching. And again, this is all my informations. If you're looking to buy or sell a house, please, this is all my information. And thank you so much for watching on my channel. If you have more questions, you can message me or call me. And that's it. That less than 30 minutes, you guys explain it to you, the step by step on how to buy a house. Please subscribe to my channel, like, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.